感觉很好玩，特别是做那个包粽子，还有这些逛一逛街，就是中国老文化，我看一看，我觉得特别很开心。
It's a great honor to participate in this event. The name of the event was Intentional Chinese Heritage Culture Program, and it was so good. And we saw here many Chinese activities, Chinese food, and Chinese culture.
Today I just am given to come to here, and this is the platform is so good, and this is the first time I participate in any program. So today I buy this one, and I like it so much.